to Bella's Bargains. Today is December 3rd. Third day in the series of 25 daily easy DIYs. My name is Amy. If you haven't been here before, thank you so much for watching today. If you see something you like, I hope you hit that like button and subscribe, of course. Today, I did 3 little ones because I had a window cling and I just sort of wanted to use the whole window cling. So I did this little number, which I was pairing with their little light up snowman, which are really cute in case you hadn't seen these from the Dollar Tree. Kind of like that. Anyway, it says fresh, farm fresh Christmas trees, blah, blah. Watch the video because how I got the color on the Christmas tree might surprise you. One of the things I'm always trying to do when doing my DIYs is to not... I hate it when there's people out there doing it and they bring out 17 things of stain and paint and they have every color of the rainbow and blah, blah. Nope, You can use things around your house. You don't have to have this craft supply area full of cans of stuff. So I teach you ways to do that. Anyway, so no stain and no paint were used. And these were natural wood when we started. Watch to figure that out. Anyway, just a cute little sign. And then... for another part of the window cling, these are really cute. They're from the Dollar Tree. So I just revamped it a little bit. I actually didn't do video of this because I'm like, it was pretty simple. But just to tell you, basically what I did was I used the the markers that are for scratched wood. I don't know what you call them. And I just, because this was plain wood, and I colored that in on the bottom. I took the chalk marker, which they're kind of like a crayon, but a chalk, and just sort of did this white, and then put the joy on there. Added the little green baker's twine, I think is what they call it. Anyway, so just revamped it so that you could literally flip it around anywhere. And the other thing is just by doing the sides, which I do on most signs and whatnot that I get at the Dollar Tree, just by doing that, you upscale it so much because you're not looking at this bare wood on the side. And then the last thing that I did with the window clings was I took this bamboo cutting board and I decoupaged on there. Again, I used that baker's twine and just a little bit of berries and stuff. I have in my craft stuff, what I'll do is every time I'm dealing with florals and picks and whatnot, leaves fall off and berries fall off, I always stick them in this little box thing, a bag thing that I have, so that I can pull from them for just exactly for something like this. Then I also did glue on a little block so that I could stand it. One of the things I wanted to show everybody though, I hope you can see that there. See how the block is not flat with the bottom? The reason that we don't glue it very flat to the bottom is because you want it to stand. So if it's slightly raised, it'll lean back just a little bit and it stands. So just a little nugget of info for you there. Anyway, I hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much for coming to see me again. Later on today, shopping haul bonus video. What? Those are my favorite. So got some really good stuff. So don't forget to come back for that later. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And we'll see you tomorrow or later today, whenever you come back to Bella's Bargains. Have a great day, great week, a great life. God bless you all. And Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. Yes. Christmas. Such an exciting time of year, even during COVID. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Okay, this project is a little Christmas tree sign. I'm gonna need this wooden Christmas tree, this window cling, and this chalkboard sign that is on a stand, some Mod Podge, and some food dye. So let's get started. We're going to deconstruct this first. So since I have some of these window clings left over, I'm going to do a couple more projects. I'm just going to show them to you at the end. I don't think I need to walk you through it because they are just, this is one of the bamboo cutting boards, and this is one of their snow globe holiday decorations. However, there's nothing on the back, so I'm going to two-side it. But I'm not going to use this because the bug is going in my bug. Oh, I'm going to put it on my window for my Christmas decoration on my bug. So I'll show you guys these when they're all done at the end, but I think they're going to look great.